So this is how I wrap my bouquets. I have some floral tape here. This is waterproof floral tape. And I stuck it here underneath my thumb, and I'm just twisting that around a couple of times, loosely, but enough that it holds the stems in place. We don't want to make it so tight that it holds all of the flowers in too tight together, and also it can damage some of the stems if you have some more vulnerable stems on the outside. So again, I just wrap that around and then snip it. Make sure that everything is where I wanted it to be. So if anything got pushed down, just very loosely pick it back up. Simple and easy peasy as possible, which also contributes to less waste. We're not adding additional pins or wire. Use silk or chiffon ribbon. We wrap it around the front so it's covering the tape. Pull the ribbon to either side and then tie a knot and then cut it however you want it to drape, how long you want it to drape, which is what I prefer. But some people like to have it in a bow and then tied off to the side. So the difference in holding it is that you got a little bit of a bow there, or essentially it looks just like the knot and it drapes down to the side. So either or, that's how I do it. No fuss, super easy, not worrying about all the extra stuff or getting it just perfect. We are all about doing things as easy as possible.